Unlocking mRNA, the vaccine superhero you need to know about. Namaste, everyone. Welcome to Science Made Simple, the podcast where we break down cool science stuff in a way that's easy to get. I'm your host, Ellie, and today we're diving into something you've probably heard about, especially since 2020, mRNA. You know that thing in vaccines that helped us fight COVID-19? If you're wondering what it is and why it's such a big deal, stick around. This one's for all my friends across India. From Delhi to Kerala, Mumbai to Kolkata, let's figure this out together. mRNA stands for messenger RNA. RNA is like a cousin of DNA. You know, the stuff in our cells that makes us who we are. But mRNA, it's the delivery person. It takes a small piece of that recipe and carries it out to the kitchen. Well, technically to something called ribosomes in your cells, where the real cooking happens. That cooking builds proteins, the tiny workers that do everything from growing your hair to fighting off colds. Now, why does this matter for vaccines? Let's break it down. Imagine you're at home in Bengaluru and there's a monsoon storm coming. You want to protect your house, right? Maybe you'd grab some sandbags or fix the roof. Your body works kind of the same way. It needs to prepare for invaders like viruses. Traditional vaccines, like the ones we've been getting for polio or measles in India for years, use a weakened or dead virus to teach your body how to fight. It's like showing your immune system a picture of the enemy so it knows what to attack later. But mRNA vaccines, they're different, and honestly pretty cool. They don't use any part of the virus itself. Instead, they give your body a tiny instruction manual. Yep, that's the mRNA, that says, hey, build this little piece of the virus yourself. For example, with the COVID-19 vaccines like Covishield or the Pfizer one, the mRNA tells your cells to make a harmless spike protein. That's the spiky bit on the outside of the coronavirus. Telling my body to make a virus part? Nope. Here's the thing. The spike protein can't make you sick. It's like getting a recipe for just the crust of a pizza, not the whole thing. Your immune system sees that crust, or spike protein, and goes, oh, I'll remember this. Then it starts practicing how to fight it off. So if the real virus shows up later, your body's ready, like a cricket team that's trained for the big match. And here's a fun fact. mRNA doesn't mess with your DNA. It doesn't even go near it. It just hangs out in the cell's cytoplasm. That's the gooey part outside the nucleus. Does its job, and then poof, it's gone. Your body breaks it down fast, like how you finish a plate of samosas at a party. Now, why does this matter to us in India? Well, mRNA vaccines are a game changer. During the pandemic, we saw how fast we needed solutions. Scientists in places like Pune at the Serum Institute were working hard on vaccines. And mRNA tech is part of that future. It's quick to make, way faster than old-school vaccines, because you don't need to grow viruses in labs. Plus, it could help us tackle other diseases like dengue or even TB, which we still fight here. All right, let's wrap this up. mRNA is like a tiny teacher inside a vaccine. It tells your body, make this protein, learn it, fight it, without ever using the real bad guy. It's safe, it's smart, and it's helping us stay healthy. So next time someone mentions mRNA, maybe at school or over chai with your friends, you can say, oh yeah, I know what that is. It's the messenger that's saving lives. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you like this, let me know. What do you want to hear about next? Something about space? Food science? Hit me up. Until then, stay curious, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Namaste.